Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Fouts. I'm one of the operations managers for Stryker Networks. We are a managed services provider, providing IT services for small to mid-sized companies. This is a series of how-to videos for our end users to provide assistance on a variety of IT topics. Today we're going to talk about how to change your Active Directory password, otherwise known as your laptop or desktop logon password. If you currently use any of our security products, you more than likely have a password policy set up. This means that you will be required to change your password typically every 90 days, as well as not reuse the same password twice and ensure it meets complexity requirements. That means that your password must be a certain amount of characters long, typically 8 characters, and it must also contain an uppercase, lowercase, number, and symbol, as well as not contain your first or last name. If it doesn't meet any of those requirements, or if it does contain your first or last name, it will not let you set that password. If your password is set to expire soon, when you log on to your computer, you might receive a pop-up such as this. This is showing you that, in this case, your password is going to expire in 14 days and it needs to be changed. It can also show you that at 7 days, it could say 2 days, it could say 1 day, or even say your password will expire today. When you see this, you have a couple different options. You can select the pop-up to change your password, or if you miss it, you can always change your password at any point in time if you press Control-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, or if you have any issues with that, you can always contact us to help us set it for you. So in this scenario, we're gonna walk through a couple different screenshots is if you hit Control-Alt-Delete on your keyboard. So you're gonna wanna make sure you press the Control button, the Alt button, and the Delete button all at the same time. Once you do, you'll see a screen that looks like this. We're gonna wanna make sure we select the Change a Password option. Once we do so, you're gonna see a screen that looks very similar to this. You're gonna see your username up at the top. You're gonna see a box to enter in your current password, as well as a option or a box to enter your new password and a final box to reconfirm your new password. You're going to want to make sure you put in that current password and then set a new password for your account. Like I said, make sure you meet those complexity requirements of uppercase, lowercase, number, symbol, and don't use your first or last name. Once you do so, you're going to want to re-enter it twice, make sure it looks the same, and then you're going to want to hit the next button or the arrow button. After you do so, you'll get a little loading screen. If there are any problems with setting your password, you'll receive an error. If it says anything along the lines of your password doesn't meet the security requirements, that means that your password either isn't long enough or it doesn't contain those characters that we've talked about. If you have any problems with that, you can always reach out to us and we can assist you, or we can always set your password or assist you in helping you self-reset your password like we've gone through today. You can contact us at 847-328-1400 or by email, helpdesk@strykernetworks.com. That contact info is also in the description below the video.